Welcome to another Chaligans video. Today we are looking at a mobile mount, the JMOUNT-336. And today we'll be also looking at the tri-mag mount itself, and together with some available accessories, and we'll take a look how we're going to use them in the field. And before we showing the applications, let's take a look at the details of the tri-mag mount itself. We take a closer look at the JMOUNT-336. You can see a 16mm hole, which is for the normal coax cable to run through it, and so you can connect the antenna on top of that. And there's a lot of many mounting slots. There will be other accessories working for other antenna system. And we will also be showcasing later with our optional accessories later. And you can take a shape. It's a tri-mag mount. And have you ever get caught by this kind of sharp edge? I had. So with this design, we consider of that. So we make the edge very smooth. And so when you take it off or when you put it up, it won't cut your hand by touching it. And let's take a look at the base. The base, it has 3 magnet base, which is either 88 diameter, and connecting the pad and the base is we have 3 springs. So while driving, it won't shake too much and make the whole system very robust. So JMOUNT-336 with the 3 base, you can just choose any surface that is metal, so you can set up your antenna here. This is a metal table, and we can take a look, and now it goes to the table. Or on the car, and you can set up an antenna like that. And yeah, it's very hard to take off. And firstly, we take a look at without any accessories, how we are going to use the mount. And if we are just going to use, we are going to use a coax cable. And if you have a coax cable, what you want to do, you just simply put it into here. You put it into the slot, and you connect it. And then this is the first time. You can just connect directly your antenna to the mount. And today we are going to use a product as an example, which is the MCM10, which is a UHF adapter, and the other end is a M10 threads. And we use the adapter together with a 5.6 meter telescopic whip as a antenna. Now we have the mount. Put it onto the car, and we have a coax set up on it already. So for now, you can just put up your antenna and onto it. To demonstrate, I'm going to use the MCM10, the adapter, together with the telescopic whip. We'll just install it, and then we install the antenna. And this become the setup. If you don't have a MC750, instead you have other antenna system like a chameleon antenna. Probably the antenna base will not be M10. Probably will be a 3/8-24. And in this case, you can use a M10 to 3/8-24 adapter, something like this, to put it in, And then here will be 3/8 24, so you can have your other antenna system to set up on top of the mount, and that's it. And now we're looking at the first optional accessory with a M10 adapter. Uh, this is actually designed for our MC750 antenna. So the MC750 and vertical can be set up on this mount. And the one end is the 16 millimeter screw for putting in, and then we put it in. So now we have it like this. We have it like there's a M10 threads, and because for instance the MC750 the base is also M10, so we can set it up onto here, and then we set up the rest of the antenna and you connect the OX through here, and the MC750 can be used on the mount. And the second accessory is another mount that you can install into the JMOUNT-336, and that now it becomes you can just you can install your antenna on it, the same like before. You just put it in, and once you install the coax, you can just again on your car you can just put your antenna on top of there, and it will be another case that you can use the mount. And that's it.